Ciao Tesla people. Today I wanted to do a test with the new Tesla UI. Here it is, you know. So I wanted to test this new change that they introduced, the bar of the regen and charging, okay? I won't test the charging today because I don't need to charge, but I will test the regen. And the issue that I'm finding is that the bar on the side is not really well placed. The user experience is really bad for me, at least for me, what I think. And we'll see how it does and where it should be or placed, sorry, the bar, okay? So let's drive a bit and I'll show you the issue. So the issue that I'm finding is that this bar that indicates when you give power to the motors and when you let go the accelerator, there is a regen kick in. It's basically not visible. It's too thin, so the line is not wide enough so that it's visible, that you understand that things are going on. And before it was on the top, which I liked it. Let me go this way and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm not sure from the camera if it's visible, but here there is the bar. And it's actually so small that you really don't know that it's there until you charge or you do regen. So let's do an acceleration here. There is nobody. Okay, so here is the acceleration. Now if I let go, there is a green bar, okay? It's so small that you can see it. Not only that, but if I put my hand here on the steering wheel, now from the camera, the angle is a bit off, but if you, from my eyes, that you're looking at this, there is the steering wheel plus the hand that is covering up this bar, okay? And it's not usable like that. I find myself, picking by moving my head to check it out, the amount of regen is going on. For example, when I go in a mountain coming down, you usually check it out how much regen I can sustain at a certain speed, given the slope of the road. So before it was up here and it was great. You could just pick one eye and you can tell. Now you have to look for it because it's so thin. Not only that, but if you notice, there are a bunch of other information here. There is the speed limit, there are the lights. Most likely there is going to be average speed that you are doing on a highway or other streets, other roads. So it's very busy location here. You have, of course, your speed. Let me turn here. Let's do another test of regen, okay? So maybe you can check it out what I'm talking about. So I would like to be all wider, which is the quick fix, or placed again between the battery and the lock up here. And I think this position is better because you have the battery and this bar is referring to the energy that you're consuming from the battery or placing back with regen to the battery. So it makes sense to have it up here and wider. I would make it wider as the battery on top of it. So it's very well known that you are doing one thing, or accelerating or doing regen, okay? So let's do an acceleration. You see the gray bar becomes bigger, the accelerate. And if I let go all the way, it becomes bigger, okay? Green and becomes larger, okay? And it's proportional probably to the regen that you're using. Right now it's small green right here. So that's my complaint. I'm not sure why they move it up here. you know, in the Tesla UI refresh that they did with the spring update, the 14.9. I wish they left it where it was up here, horizontal, and maybe they make the bar wider, so that it's very clear that what you are using, if you're accelerating or if you're regen. Anyway, that's my take. Hopefully the camera pick up everything here. Let's do another round and then I'll go home. Let me see if I can move it to the camera closer, like that, maybe. Yeah, let's see. Let's do this last time and let's see how it goes. Okay, so up here, small gray, big gray is the acceleration, and then if I let go, is the big regen. Okay, so that should be wider. I would prefer to move the entire bar up here, because when you charge, for example, there is this green piece of progress bar that goes from the bottom to the up, okay, and of course you're standing still, so you don't care. But for regen, I think it's more useful to have it up here. So that's what I wanted to talk about. So please leave a like, subscribe, turn on notification if you already subscribed, and if you have any comments, please put it in the comment section, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.